Here's how to scrape BizBuySell businesses with no coding knowledge. First, we'll need the BizBuySell scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on businesses. As you can see, we extracted the businesses in this list. To extract more, simply go to the next page. And there you go. Do this as many times as you want. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now press on settings. Now let's head to stored data. In here you will find all the data we scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now, to customize the data, head to Customize. Then press on Businesses. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. In here you can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.